Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into evaluating our listening skills. Before we start improving, we need to assess where we stand, what's working well, and what needs extra practice. Listening comprehension starts with words. If you hear a word but don't immediately recognize it, even a slight delay can disrupt your understanding of an entire passage. So, here's our first self-assessment challenge. I'll read 10 words. Your task is to recognize them instantly, not after a pause, not on the second or third repetition, but immediately. Listen and recognize instantly. Mammal, juvenile, sculpture, stereotype, monopoly, construction, anatomy, static, diagnose, dispense. Now, be honest. How many did you recognize instantly? If you missed 0 to 2 words, great job. Your recognition speed is strong. If you missed 2 to 4 words, you might need more practice with academic vocabulary. If you missed more than 5 words, this is a red flag. Your listening struggles start with vocabulary recognition. The goal is to hear words as naturally as your native language, without hesitation. If you had trouble, focus on strengthening your academic vocabulary. Great job on our first challenge. Now, let's take it up a level. Recognizing words in context. In TOEFL listening, words don't appear in isolation. Instead, they're woven into conversations and lectures. If you can't identify words in context, understanding the main idea becomes difficult. Let's do a quick test. Listen carefully to this passage. Haven't you heard the saying, all publicity is good publicity? Well, I say the article brings attention to the student government organization, which is pretty invisible. You rarely hear about what student government is doing, but this article had a bit of an exaggerated tone. It was satirical, or at least it was meant to be. Now let's analyze. Did you instantly recognize the words invisible, exaggerated, and satirical? Or did you need to rely on the surrounding context to guess their meanings? If you missed 2 or more words, that's a sign your listening vocabulary needs work. The key takeaway? If you hesitate on a word, your brain slows down while processing the entire sentence. That's why building instant recognition is crucial. In our next session, we'll push even further, tackling sentence structures in listening comprehension. See you there. Ready to put it into practice? Try Lingo Leap now with a free trial. We've got over 4,000 TOEFL Stipe practice questions, full-length mock tests, and AI feedback that checks your answers sentence by sentence. Just click the link and start practicing smarter.